Njengomana ambizile umdali wakhe wasabela umhathi weKhosi FM uZanele Mbokazi Nkambule. Sizikhatsha ukusuka eAuckland Park ziza kuwe zisachisa ngesindebele ku-SABC1 Lotshani Sitshaba seNkosi. Imndeni ebhujelwe babantu bemakhabo engozini yesithuthi sabantwana besikolo. Iveni netruck ahlangana nekanyamazana neCarino embombela eMpumalanga. Ithe kubudisi kuyona ikhumbula bona amalunga wayo angekhe isawubona aphila. Omunye walabo ababhubhile komfundi bese ababili ngebe bakhamba ngeveni. Ingozi le iza ngemva kwenye ingozi eyenzeke eMpumalanga emvekeni ezimbili ezidluleko lapho kubhubhe khona abantwana besikolo abasithandathu. Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi eMpumalanga babatshayeli benkolo ibona bahlale batshejile.
Bekubhlungu lokho amalunga wemndeni afika landelana endaweni yesehlakalo. Bahlangatshezwe ngilengozi eyibanga amathluwo. Ukukhamba kwenkolo ikuphazamisekile. Imndeni izokubuthi impahla yamalunga awo abhubhele kule ngozi kunye nalabo abasesibhedlela. Imndeni ebhujelweko isenhlungwini.
I got to understand that they were coming from night shift. So the two people that passed away that were on the MP 200 are employees of Transnet. They were coming from work, having finished their night shift. So it's a terrible, it's a terrible experience for us as a family.
Limela abantu abamachuma amabili nekhombe kubalwa kibo nomshayeli webhesana yabantwana besikolo. Bonke abalimeleko bagijinyiselwe esibhedlela iRob Ferreira ukuyokwelatshwa. Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi esifundeni nesi uzwakalisa ukuthwenyeka.
Siyacela labanikete umsebenzi wokuthwala abantwana ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi abashayele ngokukhulu ukucophelela ngaphandle kokuthi sipreempt ukuthi imiphumela yale investigation etawuba yini, but siyacabanga ukuthi munye kulabashayeli be overtake kungamelanga ukuthi overtake.
Omunye wabantu abafike kokuthoma esehlakalweni sengozi le utsheli SABC ngakubonileko.
At the moment it's all just speculation, but from looking at the damage to the vehicles, there was definitely a head-on collision involved. As to who was the ones that were at fault, that I am not at liberty to say right now, but SAPS is on scene and they are investigating exactly what happened.
Amapolisa athoma iphenyo malungana nokufunisisa ngonobangela wengozi le.
Sibizwa ngobutsha isazi esicozulula ilwazi lama-cellphone. uColonel Lambert Steyn ecaleni lokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa. Lokho kuza ngemva kobana iVodacom ithi akunamhlala otshengisa bona uNduli wadosela intombi kaSenzo Meyiwa uKelly Khumalo umtato.
uColonel Lambert Steyn utshela ikhothe ephakemeko yePitori bona imininingwane abakhange icatshelwe. Ubuyelele wafakaza bona umsola wesihlanu ufisa ukudlwendula wadosele waye intombi kaSenzo Meyiwa uKelly Khumalo ngomhla ka2 ngoRhoboyi ngo2014 amalangana ngaphambi kokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa. uSteyn uthi ihlelo abalisebenzisako ngelisezingeni eliphezulu akunakuthi bengacatshelwa ilwazi lapho. Kodwa nanyana njalo isikhulu sezesayensi kwaVodacom uPinti Vetelingen uthi akunamhlalo utshengisa kulokho kuchiwe nguSteyn. Ngalokho ke icotha lomsola lithi kungenzeka kwacatshelwa ubufakazi.
I can therefore confirm that there was communication between Kelly Khumalo on cell phone number +27 82 704 4358 with accused number 5 and Nkani with cell phone number +27 73 305 9202 on the following dates 2014 0802 and 2014 1015 using internet, which will not appear or show under normal section 205. You can only get it from downloading if the phone is available.
uSteyn ugandelela bona uKhumalo noNduli badosela nomtato ngomhla ka2 ngoRhoboyi nangomhla ka15 ngoSewula ngo2014 ngaphambi kokubulawa kwakaMeyiwa.
Ikhotho yeBloemfontein eFree State ilithulisele ukufikela kusasa icala laloyo obemsizi kaNdunankulu walokho weFree State uAce Magashula uMrauludi Cholota. uCholota bekavele ekhotho kaMagistrata weBloemfontein ayokuba kwayibhayili okulandela ukubuyiswa kwakhe eAmerica. Waphikile wonke amacala abekwe wona malungana necala le255 million rand lobukhohlakali bezindlu zeTsheboya. Umbuso uphikisana nokunikela kwakhe ibhayili.
uMrauludi Cholota weminyaka ema-37 ubudala
uveze ukuthi icala lombuso phezulu kwakhe libuthakathaka. Ungezelele ngokuthi ukuchatshulula kwakhe ngebhayili kuzokuletha ubulungiswa. Ku-affidavit yakhe efundela igcwetha lakhe ekhotho, uCholota uveze ukuthi usebenzisane kuhle nombuso ukusukela ngoSihlabantangana ngemva kokuthi abotshwe eAmerika. Kanti uhlangana nabanye abasolwa ecaleni lokukhwabanisa kwemali ezingidigidi zamaranta ngo-2014. uCholota uveze ukuthi akanajisakalo yokukhandela ubulungiswa namkha ukuphazamisa ubufakazi nenge yangakhitshwa ngebhayili.
There may be reasons that the state may have to keep the accused or the applicant overnight. We state that that is a further violation of her rights because she deserves not to be detained for a second longer.
Nakusenjalo uCholota uthi akanamahlelo okuya phetsheya njengoba nanganazo incwadi zakhe zokukhamba. Kanti kodwa uthi uzobahlala eaddressini eqinisekisiweko eBloemfontein. Nanyana kunjalo umndeni wakhe uthi uthwenyekile ngendlela umbuso uphethe icaleli.
State sitsibile long time ago that this case is going to appear, and they should have enkabe bantse ba itukisitse nako entse le teng hore ba ske ba tloba le khahlano le application ena.
Kanti umbuso udzimelele ekutheni baneqala eliqinileko phezulu kwaCholota.
Re kopile hore nyewe e tshetshetso morao fihlela osane obane rolo ka go utlwile le khotleng la dinyewe hore affidavit yo moqosuwa a kopang bail ka yona e re ifumane hona ho sengona tsatsing lena jwanong go hlokana ko ena hore re ye re lo e bala re utlwisise hore mabaka ao bona ba kopang hore a fumane bail ke afeng.
uCholota uzojavalelwa emaseleni wepolice station yeBlainfley ukufikela ngeveke ezako ngelesine, kanti kulindeleke ukuthi iqaleli lirage ekhotho ukufikela ngoSihlabantangana onyaka ozako.
Kuphazamisekile ukufunda nokufundisa, kwavalwa ngisho namabhizinisi. Nendlela ekulu N17 yaphazamiseka endaweni yeBetal ngaphasi kwakamasipala iGovernment Local Municipality eMpumalanga. Izakhamuzi batsho zichagalela ukucinyelwa igezi nokuvalelwa amanzi. Unompumelelo Mahlangu ehlelo Sithemba Zemini kuKwekwezi FM ukhulumisene noMeyara uGetsibande kunye nomkhwezeli walomchagalo. Asizwe nasi inkulumo yabo iyalandela.
Igezi icishiwe asitshelwa ivele kuya abantu bayakhathelwa ugesi babona ngabasebenzi bakamasipalati sebazocisha ugesi ngapha nalama new prepaid meters abasifakele wona ugesi wakhona expensive kakhulu and manje sebayazi ukuthi une technology ba block amakhadi ukuthi ungakhona ukuthenga ugesi ngebanki ngokuthi ukweleta irent.
Kuhle banicimela njengoba niyakolota.
Basho njalo singazi ukuthi bacisha ngoba abathi sikweleta ama rent and into esimangazayo ukuthi idepartment ugesi manje la ekithi eBetal usuphethwe icontract eappointa umasipalati awusekho ngaphansi kwamasipalati kepha umasipalati sokhona ukuthi asebenzise leyo contract ukuthi sishele ugesi ngoba sikweleta idandi.
Meyara ungarakela phambili uphendule ikinga lapha yabahlali beBetal kuhle kuyini balela ngokuthi anikhulumi nabo indaba imraro kuyini kuhle
mkhathi umraro awusemkhulu kangakho umraro ukuthi abahlali baseGovernment isikhathi eside bebangabhadali ama services bangakhoni ukuthenga ugesi ngoba isikhathi nesiningi ngobuningi babo beba connected straight eindambeni zaka Eskom lokho kubangele ukuthi sigcine sesikoloda uEskom 5 billion rand. Ngokulungisa ke sithi silungisa indaba yokuthi sikhone ukubhadala uEskom sibe sesiqala uhlelo lokufaka ama meter yonke iBetal neMzinoni kanye nezinye indawo zaseGovernment esifaka phakathi imbalenhle sekhunda ivenda. Ngokwenza njalo kubange ukuthi ke abanye babahlali bagcine bangakhoni ukuthengela ugesi noma bathatha isinqumo sokuthi bangawuthengi ugesi okubange ukuthi bese umasipala ayawuvala ke ugesi kulabo bahlali abangabhadalanga.
Ungqongqotjhe wezegezi uDr Khosie Ntsura Mokhupa uthi umnyango wakhe usebenzisana nezinye imphathimandla ngemigomo yentengo yegezi ukuqinisekisa bona ingabizi khulu. Ungqongqotjhe bekakhuluma malungana nendaba zamuva nje eziphathelene negezi njengomana ilizweli libonakala lethule umthwalo wokuqindeliswa kwegezi.
Semalanga alikhulu nama-38 solo kwagcina ukuqindeliswa igezi elizweneli. Ungqongqotjhe uRamokhupa uthi iye khona ngezibukwako lezi kodwa sikhulu isililo ngegezi ebizako begodi lokhu kwehlisa imizamo malungana nokwanela kwamandla.
Even in those areas where they don't experience load reduction, electricity is just unaffordable. It's gone through the roof, over 400% increase in the past 10 years. It's unsustainable. That situation is untenable. We have to arrest that situation.
Uthithomile imkhulumiswano nehlangano yabohulumende bendawo iSalga njengengcenye yomsebenzi omkhulu wokuhlalisa kuhle imigomo yentengo yegezi. Ngalokho kube ngukunzinzisa intengo yegezi bona ithengeke. Naphezulu kwemizamo eyenziwe ukukhandela ukuqindeliswa kwegezi enyangeni ezidluleko, uRamokhupa uyelelisa ngelithi ilizweli alikabi ukuphuma eminyameni kodwa wabethela izandla amaziko ahlukahlukene kaphehla igezi ngokuraga kwawo nokutika igezi nge-2500 megawatts ayokungezeleleka ekusatshalalisweni kwegezi ekupheleni kwakaRhoboyi.
I think specifically today he lifted up Tutuka, Kendall as well as Creel, and I think when you really look at those stations in the last 6 months they've really improved their performance.
Ukoniwa kwemthangalasekelo ukuzihlanganisela igezi ngokungemthetho nokusatshalaliswa kwengigubhu zegezi ngeminye imiraro.
So at this stage Eskom had about 6.9 million meters that they needed to pre-code. The rollover for these meters is on the 24th of November this year. If those meters have not been pre-coded, they will not be able to operate.
Ithemba likaNgqongqotjhe malungana nemigomo yentengo yegezi lele phezulu kwekambiso kunye nesikhathi esihleliweko.
Nasibuya entolo.
It is a true reflection of the situation that is prevailing in Lesotho.
Siphezulu okuthusako isibalo sabantu abazibulalako eLesotho kodwa amapholisa wakhona akayifakazeli inkulumo enjalo. Zindaba zesindebele ku SABC1 indaba ezi ziyatholakala ku Facebook, ku YouTube kanye na ku SABC Plus. Asirage nazo. eLesotho ibalwa namazwe anesibalo esiphezulu sokuzibulala kwabantu ephasini lonke. Kutsho ihubhululo elenziwe yi-World Population Review eAfrika. Umsunguli wemikhosi wamangwana The Plight of a Woman utshele iphiko lendaba ngendaba yakhe. Batsho indodana yakhe yase yavuka injebovu yatsho ukumqeda ngomukhwa.
iLesotho ililizwe elincane elilwisana neentshijilo ezihlukeneko zomphakathi. Hlangana nazo sibale siphezulu somhlago wokuthwayeleka ngengogwana ye-HIV and AIDS kunye nokuzibulala kwabantu.
It is a true reflection of the situation that is prevailing in Lesotho.
uMamphana Mulotsi wasinde ekufeni ngemva kokuthi ahlatshwa amahlandla amashumi 20 ngomukhwa. Kwathi ngemva kwalokho wasungula ihlangano esiza bomma ngemiraro efanako.
I have my story like those 150 women. My story regards my son who was suicidal, but unfortunately he attempted to murder me in the process.
uMulotsi uthi ukuzibulala kusukela ekuguleni ngengqondo kanti kungangena nanyana ngubani.
He was into drugs, like I said, and he was under the pressure to pay the drug load, because these drug lords have a tendency of giving our children drugs and forcing them to pay afterwards. So he was forced to pay, and he stole money from my bag, went and paid the drug lord, came back. I asked him why he took my money, and things just got out of place. Then he stabbed me 20 times.
Nanyana kunjalo kodwa ibhalile imizamo yokulinga ukufumana imbalobalo zikahulumende zesibalo sabantu abazibulalako eLesotho.
Ubukwe ngendima ayilimileko emkhakheni wezokurhatsha kumabonakude nemrhatshweni Ukhozi FM. Umsunguli wama-Crown Gospel Awards uZanele Mbokazi Nkambule ongasekho ephasini. Umndeni umemezele namhlanje ekuseni bona uMbokazi Nkambule ukhambele esibhedlela seParklands eThekwini ngomvulo ebusuku. Ngemva kokusahlelwa yikankere yamaphaphu. Ubhubhe aneminyaka ema-52 ubudala. Ubhubha nje ube mrhatshi kuKhozi FM.
Sikhuphuka neyinkinga zethu, nezicelo zethu, nokubonga kwethu, nokuhluleka kwethu, nako konke okwethu siyozethula kuJehova.
uMbokazi ugule ngosihlabantangana wanonyaka nje. Ngemva kwalokho wabika bona unekankere. Umndeni wakhe uthi ulimele kanti uthakala imali wona wodwa kodwa nelizweli lilimele.
We are grateful to have lived life with a person of her caliber. She's an amazing personality. She's an amazing person, and today we look with both kind of feelings: a great loss, but also a gratitude.
Abalingani bakhe ngokomsebenzi kunye nabangani bakhe bayambuka ngomsebenzi awenzileko wokuthuthukisa umvumo wekolo elizweni leli akwenze ngeCrown Gospel Music Awards. Bathi uchugulule ipilo yabantu abaningi.
I spent 8 years as a board member of AmaCrown. After 8 years, then decided to do other things, but Uzanele has always been in the midst. Swaziland, we together, traveling we together, Sino Kansas, Besino Zanele. We used to travel Sihambele Indao. Just for Uzanele was so spiritual. We thought we had a Christian background, but wait until you see Zanele.
Umphathi woKhozi FM uSibongi Ngcobo uthi uZanele Mbokazi bekayisika yabalaleli njengoba nagada akwazi ukuchugulula impilo yabantu abanengi ngehlelo lakhe elithi Eshilo.
We will remember Zanele for her infectious smile. You know, when she walked into a room, you could really feel the room come alive. Her voice is something else that will be missed, as she used to connect with many listeners every Sunday during her show, and I know that they will really miss her comforting words and her ability to make you feel good even when your situation wasn't great.
Ngaphambi kwamalangana bona adlule emhlabeni iCrown Gospel Music Awards ivulele abonkhethani bomnyanya lo. Umtshali uqinisekise ukuthi umnyanya wabonongorwana lo usazokuraga njengengcenye yokuhlonipha imisebenzi emihle kaMbokazi. Umnyanya wabonongorwana lo kulindeleke ukuthi ubanjelwe eJohannesburg ekupheleni komnyaka lo.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook siba ukuthi uthumele amezwi okuchiriya kokulala kumrhatshi weKhozi FM uZanele Mbokazi Nkambule.
Engathithi umoya wakhe ungalala uphumule, sicelela nomndeni ukuthi ududuzeke.
Uyilimile indima yakhe kwangathi umndeni nabangani kanye nalabo kade abereka nabo bangaduduzeka.
Umoya wakhe ungalala ngokuthula baduduzeke bakaMbokazi nebakaNkambule.
Ngithi dudu emndenini wakaMbokazi wakaNkambule, inhlobo zonke abangani nalaba kade abereka nabo.
Ebahatsheni bonke beKhozi FM ngokulahlekelwa ngozakwenu sithi awukwehlanga olungehlanga.
Ya ingawukathi umoya wakhe ungalala uphumule, uyilimile indima yakhe.
Akuhlanga lungehliyo myekeni ambo yokuphumula uThixo kathatha into angabeki into.
Ngisashaqile namanje. Yangithusa into le ezala ngabantu bakithi. Kodwa ke masekuvume inkosi ivumile.
Siyamazi uZanele wayedlala amakhwaya ngosondaha kumabonakude alale ngokuthula.
Nasiphosa ilihlo kezemali iranda liqinile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Ake silalamele uSibusiso Sikhosana endabeni zeKwekwezi FM. Sibuni sichemise njani zamahwacela nje kuzibuya nabazumi.
Siyathokoza Bongo esilochisa umbukeli okhona usekhaya hlangana nendaba esiziphetheko lapha ehlelweni zibuya nabazumi entambama namhlanje. Solo inyanga kaRhoboyi ithomileko esifundeni seMpumalanga akusimnandi. Sikhuluma nje ekuseni namhlanje kunengozi eyenzakeleko yadlula nemphefumulo yabantu abathathu. Ilokhu ke sibala nomfundi. Sibuye size lapha esifundeni seGauteng. Umnyango wezefundo la eGauteng ungezelele isikhathi sokufakwa kwembawo zabafundi baka grade 1 kunjalo no grade 8 khona la esifundeni seGauteng. Ikoro yezokuzithabisa enarheni yeSewula Afrika ibetheke khulu ngokudlula ephasini kukamma uZanele Mbokazi Nkambule ebekade amhathi lapha emhathweni uKhozi FM. Ngizo-ke indaba esiziphetheko enambama namhlanje. Sithokoza ithuba.
Kuzokele Sibusiso thokoza silochisa umbukele ekhaya entambama namhlanje sisibona lapha livulile enarhakazini yeSouth Africa le kuthi ke ngale ngapha ngePumalanga esifundeni khulukhulu sangale ngaKwaZulu Natal libone litholakala ngamathuba alinganisela lapha ku 30%. Nasicala kokusasa sibona ke ikungu enengi esifundeni seMpumalanga kuchinga lapha ke eLimpopo kanti ke ngapha ngeCape Town kunamathuba wezulu alinganiselwa ku 60%. Nanke umoya uyachidela ngeCape Town sizokusuduka ke ukwazi ukubona ukuthi kunjani silemukiso lesi sisitholileko kunomoya kulezi ndawo zePumalanga Kapa kunomoya omkhulu obanga ukuthi ilwandle libe bukhali ngaleke ngeJingalanga Kapa. Kusasa ke sibona lapha ke silemukiso somlilo okhona lapha weMango kulezi ndawo zangaleke ngakubo Uppington. iGauteng ibonakala ke ifuthumele endaweni eziningi kuphole lapha ngeJohannesburg Springs nangaleke ngeFerry naGeren. Kesiyocala ukuthi kunjani kezinye imfunda sibona lapha ke iLimpopo iyachisa lapha ke kuboMosi naPhalaburwa nakuboMkopane libuye ngane nePhulukwane nge24 lapha ke esifundeni sangeMpumalanga sibona lapha ke endaweni eziningi kupholile kulapha eMbombela nesikhukhuza la ngakufuthumele bekufuna nokuchisa iKwaZulu Natal ibonakala nayo ke ifuthumele lapha ke Kokstad kuthoma kube Makhaza ekseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi amazinga afike ku25. iPumalanga Kapa ibonakala iMakhaza ekseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi nokho ke ithi ukuphola lapha ke eMthatha nokho kuyachisa nge30 degrees Celsius lapha ke ePumalanga Kapa sibona ke kuMakhaza eCape Town njengoba ubona umoya uchidele nje eBeaufort West khona ke ukuthi ukufuthumala eNorthern Cape ibonakala ifuthumele ngemva kwamadina kodwa ekseni Makhaza kuthi lapha ke iFreystata ibonakale ke nayo kezinye indawo iphola kuthi kezinye indawo kufuthumala nalapha ke ngesifundeni seNorth West. Sibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelayo kuTiro.